How do you close more sleep cases? The best way to do it is get the patient to own the problem. Get the patient to prescribe the solution. So how do you do that? Similar to when you visit your mechanic. Mechanic tells you, hey, you've got 5% brake life left on your pads. If you drive 2 miles down the road, those are going to go out and something bad's going to happen. What would you like us to do? Your prescription is go ahead and replace the brake pads. Similar to dental sleep medicine, when you're in a consultation, the patient is aware of how mandibular advancement works. They understand the process, how insurance works. They understand all of it. And you say, here's the issue. Now, one way that you can do that, one way you can present the issue, behind me here is the Mallampati scale. You can present that to them and say, hey, which airway, based on this scan, does your airway most look like? And they're like, oh, class 3, class 4. Well, if your airway is collapsed that much, what do you think is the next step? It's like, oh, didn't you say getting a home sleep test was the next step? Absolutely. Let's get that ordered up for you. The patient is the one who told you what the next step is because you have given them an opportunity to own the problem. Let the patient own the problem and you're going to close more cases.